Hi, welcome to another Power Blast podcast. Are you a fan of pizza? Well, get ready to see how simple it is to make a healthy and tasty pizza crust using only 4 ingredients. Stay tuned. Hey there, my friend. Perry Tinsley here, creator of the Power Blast podcast, The Power of Possibility, Passion, and Purpose. And we're going to head into the kitchen today. My wife, Hillary, has really refined a recipe and made an awesome pizza crust using only 4 ingredients. This is a crispy cauliflower pizza crust that I know that you'll want to make. And I actually filmed this in front of a live stream audience, and we recorded it on a phone camera, so the audio might seem a little bit different when we head over, but you'll still get the point. I will post a link to the recipe in the show notes so you can have that. And it's crazy cool that we're using products that we purchased from Trader Joe's. And if you're watching the video version of this, you'll be able to see the whole recipe unfold in front of you. But if you're just listening, what you might want to do, just so you can see how the recipe is pulled together, you can go over to powerblastpodcast.tv and watch the video version. Or you can head over to my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/PTinsley, my first initial and last name, P. Tinsley. And you can head over there and check that out. Anyway, let's head to the kitchen. We're in the kitchen, as you can see, and I'm going to put together my wife Hillary's cauliflower pizza crust. She's kind of perfected it. There's a YouTube video out there if you ever want to check it out with the original recipe that she did, but now she's kind of nailed it down to just 4 ingredients. Super simple. This is actually the first time that I've ever done it. So what we've got today, and for those of you who are Trader Joe's lovers, we're using all Trader Joe's products today. So because we got cauliflower pizza crust, you'll see a close-up of it, but we're going to use cauliflower rice, some gluten-free, all-purpose flour, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and eggs. Now I'm just going to go through and show you how to make the crust and what the process is for that. And then we'll show you how it all turns out. And then when the crust is done, obviously you can decorate it and put whatever you want on there. So let's just go for it. I'm gonna make 2 pizza crusts here. I don't want the flour all over the place, so let's go for it. 2 cups cauli rice, 2/3 of a cup of flour. So we got 2 cups of cauli rice. And I wouldn't do that cauliflower rice that's where you make your own, where you chop it up and steam it and all that stuff. That's a big pain. This stuff that way. So 2/3 of a cup of the flour, 1/4 cup of the cheese, it didn't quite get it all in there. I know there's some of you out there that are going to cheat. You're going to put extra. There's cheese heads out there. All right, so I'm just going to mix up that kind of a dry ingredient sort of thing. Okay, 4 eggs. Let's get 4 eggs in there. Blend those up. So putting that on there. Just stir this up. Crazy simple. So here's a little tip that she gave me. So you have it, and she actually just takes in. Do you use a knife? Just a little. Just kind of divides it in half. That means one side's for one pizza, one side's for the other. So we're going to use pizza stones. We've gotten these from Pampered Chef, very well seasoned, and we've got parchment paper on the top, and even sprayed it with what? Some Trader Joe's marketing. Trader Joe's coconut oil spray, and we've got that on there. And basically, just going to scoop it on there, and then flatten it out. So let's just while it looks like it's just going to gush around like, I don't know, something like egg salad, it does firm up really well. All right.
Looks perfect.
Perfect. All right. So, well, very short 10-minute one. Got the oven set for 480 degrees. Yeah, a little bit warm. And we're gonna take this, pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then, after it's baked for 20 minutes, we take it out, get a little, flip it over, put it in, bake it for another 10. And then it's done, ready for taking it out and decorating, and then putting it in for another 5 to bake. Okay? Set the timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
All right, we've got some Trader Joe's pizza sauce. Here I've got a mix of some scallions and mushrooms that I'm gonna put. Scallions and mushrooms pizza. All right, there we are. The pizza crust is done. We put a little bit of scallions and some mushrooms on there, a little light cheese, as you saw. Oh my gosh, that was so fantastic. Right after I got done with the recording, we sliced up the pizza and started eating. It was so tasty. I hope you get a chance to try it yourself. You can download the recipe by going over to putyourselffirst.com/cauliflower crust. Once again, putyourselffirst.com/cauliflower crust, and enjoy. Message me. Let me know if you tried it and what ingredients you put on it and how you liked it. And what, by the way, be sure to download my free copy of my Success Habits Master List at morningsuccesshabits.com. This is perfect, especially if you're the type of person that always seems to have a crazy busy morning and it seems to spiral out of control from there. These are short, sweet, and powerful habits that'll get you organized, focused, and energized to reduce stress and have a productive day. Once again, that's morningsuccesshabits.com. And one more thing, a few weeks ago, I interviewed the goals guy, Gary Ryan Blair, on how to crush your goals that you set for 2019 by finishing the year strong. We're in quarter 4, right? So he sent me some free content you will want to get your hands on right now as we are in the 4th quarter. Grab this manifesto and watch the 3 videos right now. Head over to putyourselffirst.com/manifesto and grab yourself a free copy. You absolutely rock, my friend. Thanks for tuning in and being with me on this journey and enjoying the recipe. And I can't wait to hear how it worked out for you. And as always, remember, it's never too late. We'll see you next week.